What if you could just type schedule a meeting with Sarah on Friday at 2 p.m., save her as a contact, and send her a confirmation email, and your AI agent does all of that automatically in seconds? That's exactly what we are building today. An AI agent in n8n that fully controls your Gmail, Google Contacts, and Google Calendar through a simple chat interface, no code, no complicated setup, just pure automation. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart AI Workspace. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a fully functional AI agent in anything that can manage your entire Google Workspace like Gmail, Google Contact, and Google Calendars. All control it through a simple chat interface that we can connect our Telegram also as a trigger, and also we can connect our Discord or Slack. By the end of this video, your AI agent will be able to create, update, search, and delete contacts from your contact database, schedule, check, update, and delete calendar events from your calendars, read emails, write drafts, send emails, and reply to threads. And the best part, you don't need to write a single line of code. If you are now here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss future automation videos. Alright, let's get into it. Before we start building, let me give you a quick overview of what the final workflow looks like. At the first, we use chat trigger for chatting with our agent. Instead of this, we can use Telegram trigger, email trigger, or Discord trigger to chat with our agent. And after that, we use our main agent. That main agent have all the responsibilities between these tools. For the chat model, we use Gemini 2.5 Flash because it's fast. And for memory, we use simple memory to store our conversation and for not losing our conversation with our AI agent. And in tools part, we have contact tool that it have four different operation like update contact, create a contact, get contact, and delete contacts. And for calendar and events, we use four tools like delete events, get events, update events, and create events. And also for our Gmail tools, we use four different operations like creating drafts, sending email, get, read emails that when we receive an email, it will automatically read email, and if it's necessary, it will reply or not, and also reply email. It will all done by our AI agent. If we check AI agent setting, that you can see we are connecting our chat trigger in input user or user message. Every message that we receive from our chat trigger, it's a user message, and we have a system prompt that we will build all together step by step. Now let's start with building. At the first, we will create a new workflow, and this is our new workflow like Google Workspace Agent. And we name our workflow. At the first, we have to add a chat trigger. This is the chat trigger, and we use the chat trigger for chatting with our agent. And then we will add an AI agent. AI agent will perform all the tasks between the tools like creating an event, sending an email. All of that will belongs to the AI agent. It will handle it. Each message that we have sent it through chat tracker, it will come to to the user message, and for now it's best. For the model, we will add Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. We will use this model for these tasks, and also we will name this node Gemini 2.0. And also for the memory, we will add simple memory that it will store all our conversation. And for tools, this is the main part that we have to add our tools, which tools that we want to, we will add it. Now let's add our system prompt for our AI agent. In here, we click on add option and system message. Here we will paste the system prompt. Let's check what the system prompt is. I will not read all of this. I will just tell you the key points, like you are a personal Google Workspace AI assistant. You help the user manage their Gmail, Google Contacts, and Google Calendar through natural conversation. You are available tools that we will add, any tools that we want to add. And here we will also describe it, like contact, creating contact, deleting contact, update contact, or calendar tools, also Gmail tools. Behavior, we will add some rules for our AI agent that you can read it. Also some important rule that we will never assume dates, always confirm with the user. For any confusion, if our AI agent have any confusion, it will ask us directly. Never delete anything that we without our confirmation. It will not delete anything. Never send an email automatically without approval. Because of that, we have to approve some email, some sort of task, and then after that it will perform. And this is our system message or system prompt that we will use in this automation. Now let's add our tools that we have to add some tools in our automation, like Gmail. We will add this as a tool. And here we will set manually describe send a message in Gmail. AI agent will come here and read this message and then use this tool. Message send operation. The operation we can also add label, delete, get many, markers, read. These operation add, but now for now we will just add send email. This email that we have to send, it will send for who. This part we will add define automatically by the model. The AI agent will define it automatically. For subject also we have to define it by the AI agent, and for message or body also. One thing more that we have to set up in send message or replay message to our email, we will click on add option and append n8n attribution. We will hit it off because in the below of the message it will write send it by n8n automatically. When it's off, it will not mention that. And we will change name of this node to send email, and that's it. This is for our send email. Now let's test send email node. That's it's working or not. We will send an email to Tarek. Now you can see your email has been sent to that email that we mentioned. This is the output from the agent. Now you can see your email has been sent. The email agent respond. Now you can see the email agent responds. Your email has been sent. So go to our email account. Now you can see this is our email that we have received from our AI agent. Now let's add another node for our AI agent. Now we will click on plus button. We type Gmail and we use this one, Gmail as a tool. The operation will be replay. Then here we will add the replay message, and in here we will set manually, because every time that we run AI agent will come to the tools, read this message, and then perform that operation. We need that operation. And in here we will the operation will be replay. For the message ID we need to define it but automatically by the model, and for the body also we need to define it automatically by the model. And also in here we will off append n8n attribution. We will off it, and because when we receive a message it will here mention it that this message automatically sent by n8n, and we don't want that. We will change the name of this node reply to emails. This is our second node for our email operations. Now let's add two more nodes for our email operation, and in here we will set manually. The operation will be send and wait for response. Send to who we will define as automatically. For the subject also, and for the message or the body also we will wait, and it will wait for approval. It's a tick. Now we will send and wait. This is our third node for our Gmail. We will make a draft node. Okay. The operation will be make draft. In resource part, we will click on draft, create draft. In here, we will define by the model. The subject will be automatically defined by the model. Also the message also. The AI agent will create the subject and also the body. It will put in here and send it to our email that we want. And this is the create the draft part. Now let's add our contact tools. For contact tools, we need 4 type of tool like creating contact, get contact, update contact, and delete. Now let's add on plus button. For contact, we use Google Contact. In here, we will add this description set manually, create a contact. We use this tool for creating a contact, and we change the name to create contact, and the resource will be add to our contact database or our contact form. The resource will be all these contacts created in our Google contacts, and the operation will be create. We can also add like delete, get many, update. These are the operation that we can add to our AI agent. For now, we just create and delete get. We will add these operations to our AI agent. Create contact for family name. We will add defined automatically by our model. When we create an contact, we say that family name is this or given name is this. It will automatically defined by our AI agent. Now let's check this node is working or not. I will say it will automatically add. We'll say save it in my contact. I create a contact for now. However, I can add the name. Would you like to proceed with? Yes. Now you can see it's confirm with us, and then create a new contact for our Google Contacts. Now you can see it will first confirm with us that should I create it or not. And when we hit yes, when we reply it to confirm, it will automatically, that you can see, it will automatically create a new contact in our Google Contact. Now for the contact tools, we will add 2 or 3 more. Now you can see I will add 3 more. For our contact, we type here Google Contact. We use Google Contact for this operation also. We set tool description, we set it manually. And for resource, we will add or delete from our contact. This operation will be delete. We will delete some contact from our contacts, and that's it. I will change this delete a contact, and this is our second node for our contact operations, and we will add the third one. The third one will be the operation will be get money. When we send the name of the people of our contacts, it will grab the email or send them an email. The operation will be get money. We can get any our contact specification or email or name when we send it to our name, and return on. Now let's this will also get many contact node, and this is the third node for our contact. We will add just one more, and this will be set manually. Contact, this will be update. When we want to update some contact, it will automatically update our contact. This part will be contact ID. It will automatically define by the model and field, in which field we will search the contact to update. We will search through email address, and also through address, email address, and also name. When we send like update John Smith email, it will find that name and update their email and update us through our chat trigger. And that's it. This will be the update node. And this is our for operation for our Google contacts that we add to our AI agent. Now let's add two more tools for our events or meeting events that we have. We will schedule it, and it will automatically save to our Google Calendar and remind us later that we will have a meeting or not. For that, we will hit this plus button on tool. We will use for that Google Calendar tool and click in here. We for tool description, we set it manually and create an event in Google Calendar. When we schedule an event or meeting, we use this operation, creating operation, and also we will select our calendar. I use this calendar and I will select this one also. And for start, let's say for start we will define it automatically by the model, because we tell our agent when our meeting will be start or when it will be ended. For the ending also, I will define automatically by a model. And that's it. I will save this also as a create an event, and let's add another one. This will be Google Calendar also. The operation for this node will update the event. For the calendar, I will use my calendar and event ID. It will automatically define by the model. We will save it with the name of update an event. And let's add one more for delete Google Calendar and set manually in here. And for the operation, we will delete an event. And for that, I will add my calendar and event ID also define automatically by the agent, because we told that which event we should delete or update. Delete an event. And now you can see it's each one have 4 different operations in our AI agent. Now let's check our AI agent, it's working or not. Create a draft for the meeting of tomorrow. It will automatically draft in our email, and also schedule a meeting inside our inside our Google Calendar. Sorry. Now we hit send. Now you can see it's working, and you can see it's create a draft. If we need to send this email, we can ask yes, it automatically sent to that email. Now let's check our Google Calendar. Now let's check our creating event. Now you can see it will automatically create. Now you can see let's create an event. Now you can see it's the event that we create for our meeting, and we can also add a title. It will automatically notify us that we will have a meeting, and that's it.
And there you have it, a fully working Google Workspace AI agent in n8n with 12 tools covering Gmail, contacts, and calendar. What I love about this is that it's completely conversational. You just talk to it like a real assistant and it handles everything for you. Some ideas to extend this further: you could add Google Drive, Google Sheets, or connect it to Slack or WhatsApp, so you can control your agent from anywhere. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below if you have questions and I'll reply to everyone. The system prompt and workflow JSON are linked in the description so you can download and use them right away. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.